Welcome to the BI Courses YouTube channel. In the last video, we talked about visualizations, formatting, and other properties. Today, we will experience something conceptual but important, which happens to be the data storytelling. Data storytelling is the process of transforming data analysis into a compelling narrative to communicate insights and drive actions. It is about presenting data in a way that is easily understood and relatable, allowing audiences to grasp the significance of the data and its implications. Let's see this Power BI report. It has got different pages or tabs. The very first tab or page is a summary page. This page contains the high level information. It doesn't contain much granular level information at all. To start with, on the left hand side on the top, we have the company logo, followed by the main set of slicers. In this case, it happens to be just the date slicer. Right beneath the date slicer, we have top orders by category and then by subcategory. Of course, subcategory is a categorization under category. So it had to be followed under the category, not above the category. So there should be a narration. Let's see the right hand side of the report. We have profit by country, and this time it is not a list of countries but on a map, which is very much intuitive in itself, followed by a slicer, a tile slicer, which has got just three options, which makes all the sense because having a drop down would not look good and it might occupy a space which it isn't supposed to. And at the same time, it is quite evident that we have only three geographical or continent level locations available for our report. Then at the last, in the corner, we have product level information, where for each product we can see what orders, cost, and profit were involved. One more point to note over here is that a user need to go to each one of the revenues to say which product has got the highest revenue, which product is bringing the highest revenue. With the data bars, it is very much confirmed or it's evident that Mountain 200 Black 38, that particular product is bringing the highest revenue. And of course, slicing and dicing follows. If someone wants to select a particular category known as accessories, then all the other visuals will get filtered out automatically. Correct? On the top, we see just one product, which is the top product by orders. Maybe it was a business ask. Going forward, if you see under subcategory, we have different values, different attributes here. So if someone wants to really check that what's happening with tires and tubes, the detailed information on that particular subcategory, then one can drill through to another page or tab, which is inside this report known as subcategory details. Under subcategory details, the first listing would be that what has been selected on the main tab or the executive summary. So tires and tubes was the one selected. It gives you the high level information that what cost, what profit, and what revenue it is bringing in. Then at the bottom on the left hand side, it says that for which all months the orders were positive and we were able to meet the order target, and for which all months it was negative. Overall, we can say that it is not doing great. How? Because only for a few of the months it was positive, while it was negative for later half of the year, maybe in 2019 and 2020. Again, we didn't go to the exact figures here, whether what was the previous month order or whether we were able to meet the target or not, but just color told us the story. That's how the narration should be. On the right hand side, we have the profit by product. So what all product this particular subcategory contains, we have it on the right. And the bottom, we have a line chart which depicts the total profit, cost, and the revenue. And to make our life easier, we have a back button. Similarly, for each product also, we can drill through to the product details. In the product detail, we will see what product has been selected, what were the orders target. If we do some adjustment to the price, then how it will affect the profit per week, and so on and so forth. We'll hit the back button. So this is how a story of the data analysis should be. At the start, the logo, then filters, not many filters, only a few. And if we have a lot of filters to be applied, there should be a separate landing page wherein we should have an array of filters. And that filters would be applicable to each and every page of the report, not just one. Exceptions could be there. Then on the landing page, top KPIs, top level uh, top level numerics with the categorizations, top categorizations, followed by subcategorizations, if any, and then a few geographical visuals or visuals as per the business need, and a few details about the KPI, attribute, product, or whatever it may be. It can also have a few bookmarks and buttons. For example, with a click of a button, we should be able to get onto a different page which will talk about our customers exclusively. So you see, on the top executive summary, we didn't had the option of looking at the customer details at all because it is very much granular information. For granular information, it is recommended to have that information separated out in a different tab, and through the click of a button we can navigate to that page, and the back button will take us back to the executive summary. That concludes the video. Now we understand why storytelling is equally important as plotting visuals. In the next video, we will learn simple row level security. Till then, stay tuned. And of course, before you go, please press the subscribe button to stay up to date. See you in the next video tutorial. Thank you.